Your time is precious, but so are your results. When you need to analyze for multiple pesticide analytes, using individual neats increases the odds of a mistake, potentially damaging the credibility of your analysis. Introducing a world first. LGC's Dr Ehrenstorfer Smart Solutions PestiMix kits allow for quicker and easier calibration of a large number of pesticide analytes. New for 2021, the PestiMix V400 kit combines 431 analytes for gas chromatography. Both PestiMix kits come in 5 ampoule solutions, giving you access to up to 745 analytes, 30 minutes, maximum results. PestiMix, only available from Dr Ehrenstorfer.
LGC. Science for a safer world.